Good morning class. Today we are going to do a new topic, that is number names from 201 to 300. We have done till 200. Now today we will do number names from 201 to 300. On your notebook, first of all write down date, day, heading, number names 201 to 300. Right? Left side margin is there. On right side, leave two boxes and draw margin. Right? Like we are doing earlier also, leave two boxes and draw margin. We have to start from 201. Till 200 we have done already. 200 के बाद क्या आएगा? 201. So this is 201. 201. 201. 1 के बाद क्या आता है? 2. 202. Next is 203. 203. Next 204. 204. Next 205. 205. In this way you will do till 205. Right? After 205 what will come? 206. 206. 6 के बाद 207. 207. After 7 what will come? 8. 208. After 8 9. 209. After 209 what will? 9 के बाद 10. 2 ऐसे ही आ गया. 2 के बाद 2 ऐसे ही आ गया. 0 9. After 9 क्या आएगा? 10. This is 210. 210. In this way you will do this in your notebook. We have done till 210. After 10 what will come? 11. We were doing 210, so it will be 211. How to write? 211. After 11 12. 212. What is the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. After 12 what will come? 13. So it is 213. After 13 14. 214. After 14 215. 215. After 15 16. So it is 216. 216. 16 के बाद 17. 217. After 17 18. 218. 18 के बाद 19. 219. 19 के बाद क्या आता है? 19 के बाद क्या आता है? 20. 2 हमने ऐसे ही लिख लिया. It is 220. 220. Right? 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220. In this way you will do this in your notebooks, right? We have done till 220. After 220 what will come? 20 के बाद क्या आता है? 21. So we will start from 221. 221. How will we write it? 221. Then after 21, 22. 222. Then 223. 223. उसके बाद 23 के बाद 24. 224. After 24, 25. It is 200 going on. So we will do it 225. 25 के बाद 26. 226. 227. 227. 27 के बाद 28. 228. After 28, 229. 229. अब 29 आ गया. 29 के बाद नेक्स्ट क्या होता है? 30. It is 200. So it is 230. 230. 30. Right? In this way you have to do this in your notebooks. We have done till 230. 30 के बाद क्या आता है? 31. We are doing 230. So it will be 231. 231. How will we write it? 231. Next 232. 232 के बाद 233. 233. After 33 what will come? 34. 234. 34 के बाद 35. 235. 35 के बाद क्या आता है? 36. 236. After 36 37. 237. 37 के बाद 38. 238. 38 के बाद 39. 239. After 39 what will come? 39 के बाद क्या होता है? 39 के बाद होता है 40, है ना? After 39 what will come? 40. It is 239. So it will be 240. 240. In this way you have to do number names up to 240. Right? You have to do this in your notebooks. Writing should be neat and clean. We have done till 240. 40 के बाद what will come after 40? 41. This is 241. So what will come? 240. After 240 what will come? 241. This is 241. How will we write? 241. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. After 41, 42, 242, 243, next 244, 245, 246, 247, after 47, 8, 248, after 48, 49, 249, 49 के बाद after 49 what will come? 50. It is 250. 250. In this way you will do 241 to 250 in your notebooks. We have done till 250. Then after 50 what will come? 51. So it is 251. 251. 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 57 के बाद 58, 258, 59, 259. After 59 what will come? 59 के बाद क्या है? 60. So it is 260. In this way, do it in your notebooks. Writing should be neat and clean. Please take your time, but your writing should be neat and clean. It should be written in legible print, right? After 60, what will come? 61. We were doing 260. So what will come next? 261. How will we write it? 261. After 61, what will come? 62. 262. After 262, 263. 263. 63 के बाद क्या आएगा? 64. 264. After 64, 65. 265. Then 66. 266. 66 के बाद 67. 267. After 67, 68. 268. After 68, 69. 269. After 69, what will come? 70. 270. In this way, you have to write down 261 to 270 in your notebook. We have done till 270. After 70, what will come? 71. So we will start from 271. 271. After 71, what will come? 72. 272. After 72, what will come? 73. So it is 273. After 73, 74. 274. After 74, 75. 275. After 75, 76. 276. After 76, 77. 277. After 77, 78. 278. 279. 279. After 79, 79 के बाद क्या आता है? 80. So it is 280. 280. In this way you will do from 271 to 280. This all you have to do in your notebooks. We have done till 280. After 280, what will come? 281. So we are going to start from 281. 281. 281. After 81, what will come? 82. 282. After 82, 83. 283. After 83, 84. 284. After 84, what will come? 85. 285. After 85, what will come? 86. 286. After 286, 287. 287. After 87, 88. 288. 288 के बाद 289. 289. Now this is 89. 89 के बाद क्या आता है? 90. This is 289. So after 289, what will come? 290. How will we write? 290. What is the spelling of 90? N-I-N-E-T-Y. In this way, you will do 281 to 290. After 290, what will come? 291. How will we write it? 291. Next is 292. 292. 92 के बाद 93. 293. Next 294. 294. After 294, 295. 295. After 95, 96. 296. After 296, 297. 297. Next 200. 298. After 98, 99. 299. After 299, अब 99 के बाद क्या आता है? 100 आता है ना? आफ्टर 99 क्या आता है? 100. अब 2 तो ये पहले से 2 के बाद कौन सा 100 आएगा? 300. So it is 300. 199 के बाद हमने 200 किया था ना, क्योंकि 1 के बाद 2 आता है, that is 200. अब 299 है, 2 के बाद कौन सा आएगा? 3. So this is 300. Right? In this way you have to do counting number names from 201 to 300 in your notebooks. Do neat and clean. Right, बच्चे? If any confusion is there, any doubt is there, you can ask. Thank you everyone.